Hello, everyone. Here is how I need you to share your file, the actual file, with me so that I can check them for the test. Once you've saved it wherever you need to, version saved, however you do that. You are going to open up your data panel. That is this button right here. Do that again. Click this to open your data panel. Just go home if we're not there. If you haven't opened this project recently, just double click on my recent data because this is the most recent stuff you've been working on. And then here's your file. I can see the time that you've worked on it last, the version saved that you have, all of that. Right click and go to Share Public Link. I want you to copy this file and copy this link. Make sure that your options to share with anyone are here. Make sure that your item to be downloaded, you allow me to download it right here. Copy this link, and then you will paste that link into the Google form so that I can open it up.